Today we're making a simple bread recipe that goes in a microwave. Microwavable bread. So this is a really easy recipe that all you need is a few simple ingredients and you can make this in no time. So to start off, we put our flour into a bowl and then with our baking powder, or baking soda actually, not powder, do not use powder, it is soda. If you want all the measurements for this, it will be on the website, Hales Inc. So if you want all the stuff or the measurements on my website, drewhalesinc.com. So next, we need to crack in an egg. Simple as that. After that, we add our milk, which, hold on, I will just be getting it. I did this so the milk would stay cold. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that, but I am anyways. And now we'll add our water. And we'll keep stirring this. And next, we'll add some oil. I think this needs a little bit more flour. So we'll add a little bit more flour. Because we're supposed to be able to shape this dough. We're almost there, just a little bit more flour. It won't hurt the recipe. Oh, and all the oil didn't go in. So we'll get that in as well. Till it gets to the right consistency, we'll keep adding flour. I think it's almost there. Just need a little bit more flour and it should be there. Now we're gonna be putting this dough into something like this ramekin type bowl. So we're gonna just put this in here after I'm done stirring it. So, after I'm done stirring this, it will go in here. Now I will just pour the mixture in. Now this will take 5 minutes in the microwave. This will take 5 minutes in the microwave. Okay, so now our bread is ready. We're gonna take it out of the oven. just gonna get a cloth that's a bit hot. Now to tell if this bread is ready, you poke a toothpick in it, and if it comes out clean, it's cooked. So now, this bread is great if you need quick bread. So this was our microwave bread. Thanks for watching. I am Drew Hales. Check out the website for all the measurements and everything, and goodbye.